I'm back here again, and this place is just about ready to open, I think. Yeah, so my claim is this place is about to open anytime now. There's a little bit of scrap here. Makes me wonder what else was out here earlier. And I probably missed out on, but this fire was destructive. I didn't want to pull up along here because on the ground here, these are new. On the ground here, every time I've come here, there's been like roofing nails and drywall nails and stuff like that. Yeah, see, look at that preponderance of the evidence. There's somebody sitting there in a Jeep. Look at this tripod. There you go, one of a kind. Yeah, bad angle. There's a Jeep right there. I wonder what they're... There's probably some good wood in there, but I don't know. That's a lot of wood. I don't feel like getting that out right now. Watch this. This Jeep is going to probably start moving once I start moving. Gotta hurry up because I got my daughter some macros. It's parked on a funny angle right there. Taking the scrap from there, that's totally legit. I mean, wasn't even in the dumpster. It was put out. Oh, there's some pallets over there. I don't know. Should I get them now or get them later? Well, it wouldn't hurt to get them now. I'm gonna turn around. The gym, the workout place. Well, you can't read it with that. Wow, the parking lot is filled. Probably New Year's resolutions, right? Right now I'm here at God's waiting room. Pick up a couple pallets right here. $60. have to work too hard for that $6 today. Onward.